Hey people, how you doing? Welcome back. I have this 2018 Hyundai Elantra. I want to show you real quick how to do the front brakes. So stay tuned. Alright, we need a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, for these two impact screwdriver. 14, 17 for the caliper bracket. These two are 17, 14 for the caliper bolts. Okay. Let's do this screw first. This is the famous impact screwdriver. It's like between $10, $20, depending on the brand. By the way, all the tools that I'm using for this project is gonna be right below the video. It says products. You click on it, you see all the tools that I'm using. All right. Let's spin it here a little bit so you can see it right here. The thing this works is you see this head, you're gonna bang it, put it, turn it as much as you can, then hit it with the hammer. That's gonna lose the screw. Okay. This rotor has two screws. They're the same size, same length. All right. So I'm gonna push back the piston. This would be the this idea. If you don't have an angle, it's usually gonna go through here. You'll flat screwdriver. If it doesn't go through, so you can pry it, put it between the rotor and the pad, hit it with a hammer, and then you're gonna have a you're gonna you're gonna have a gap there. Now carefully pry it, and that's how you push the piston down. Right. The longer the prior, the less force you're gonna use. You know. Now we lose this too. 14 millimeter. 14 millimeter. Same length. Put the caliper to the side, like so. I'm gonna hit these two 17s. They the same length, by the way. Hold the bracket though. Nothing's holding it. There you go. That's when I pry it. When I put the flat screwdriver between the rotor and the pad. That's fine. We're not gonna reuse this pad, right? Well, hit this rotor. That's how I will remove it. Like so. What you think about that? Put in the comment box. Right here. Now we're gonna brush it little. Now spray it. We're breaking. That's what I'm using. Alright. Now I'm just gonna mount the rotor the other way. I mean the way it's not supposed to go because I'm gonna clean it. I don't like to clean it on the floor. Plus I'm just gonna like do that. That's it. Alright. On the other side, you remember the screws that go here? Just make sure align with this too. Okay. Easy. Put it back. Clean it. Wipe it. Good. I usually don't clean this part because that grease helps um, against the mold that builds up between the rotor and the tire, the rim. Now we proceed to put the screws like so. You know, same way you remove it, same way you put it back. All right, good. Now, what we're gonna do with this? Remove the pads, of course. Then, if your brake pads don't come with the hardware, just brush this. This, if if it looks good, just reuse it. That's fine. I'll come back after I brush it. You done brushing it? When I look like that, kind of new, still in good shape. I'm gonna put some silicone brake lubricant. Some people don't like to use this. I'll tell you why. So they don't like to use it because it collects dirt, debris. It makes the pads uh, makes it difficult for the pads to slide in and out. Pause. But maintenance, brake maintenance, is not only replacing the pads and the rotors, right? If you feel like something is wrong with your brakes, you just gotta like, do some maintenance, clean and re-lubricate. Make sure these guys slide in and out too easily. If they are not, remove it like so, wipe it, re-grease it, put it back in. Pause. Now we just mount it. Put it back like so. 17 bolts. Tightest nugget. Even if you do it with an impact gun, make sure it's tight. Okay. Set. Now we're gonna grab the pads. Put it in there. Like so. Set it there at the bottom. Push it in. Just like that. Do the same in the back. The one in the back comes with a clip. This guy is going to let you know when you need to replace pads. Don't mind that clip though. If it doesn't go in putting it down, put it in on top first and then push it in. Okay. Now, just put caliper back. Before we put the caliper back, I like to put some brake lubricant here around the piston in here. Those are the point of contact with the brake pads. That goes on. Just like that. 14 back. Tight it. That would be another 45 degrees. That's it with this baby. Now all you gotta do after this is go to the driver's side, step on the brake pedal. It's gonna be soft the first step, then it's gonna get hard, pulse. Go over here under the hood. That white plastic, that's the brake fluid reservoir. You're gonna check the level, and if it's low, top it off with some .3 or .4. It's gonna tell you on the cap what type of brake fluid use. Top it off, put the tires back, road test it, everything Gucci. Shout outs to the subscribers, viewers, what you're waiting for. No need to tell you what to do with the subscribe button, like, share buttons. But if you have something to say, put it in the comment box, all right? If you want to support the channel, right below the video, there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it. I'm going to ask you for the tip, all right? You do that, I will appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. All the contribution go towards better equipment, like flashlight, camera, all that. That's why right now you feel like you're in the front seat, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna hold you up. I gotta go. Take care. Catch you in the next one. That's too. Boom. Hey.